Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, AI, where machines learn and think like humans. AI is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to finance, by automating tasks and providing valuable insights. With AI, businesses can make smarter decisions, optimize operations, and enhance customer experiences. But how does AI work? It starts with data, lots of it. AI algorithms analyze patterns and make predictions based on this data. Machine learning is a key component of AI, enabling systems to improve their performance over time without explicit programming. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level, mimicking the human brain's neural networks for complex tasks. Natural language processing, NLP, allows machines to understand and communicate with humans through speech and text. Computer vision enables AI to interpret and analyze visual information, opening up possibilities in fields like autonomous vehicles and image recognition. AI is not without challenges. Ethical considerations, bias, and privacy concerns must be addressed to ensure responsible AI development and deployment. The future of AI is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and advancement. Embrace the power of AI and unlock new opportunities. Join the AI revolution and shape the future. Discover how AI can transform your business and change the world. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on artificial intelligence, AI.